Okay, part 3 a little while later. I've got a general pencil outline. Thank you, birdies. Pencil outline of the 2 wings here. That's on her victim's right shoulder, which is on the viewer's left. And this one here on her left shoulder, on the viewer's right. All right, then I have to decide how, I want to make it comparably detailed to how I drew her feet, the dress, her neck, face, and hat. So generally like a mix of, looks like I did a lot of fine dots and some like parallel lines. All right, to be continued.